sales can be one of those 4-letter words that a highly sensitive person and an introvert doesn't want to deal with. It's typically the one thing that they tell me that's difficult for them or they don't want to do at all. How can I create sales without talking to people or having conversations or even asking them for the sale? So yes, there's a whole lot of components that create uncomfortable feelings around sales. Number one is, again, money. What is the feelings around money? What is the belief systems around money? And what's the spirituality that they believe around money? Many times they're a myth or they're misquoted. And so we look through all of that. There are processes that you can have conversations with people and actually creates a sale. Go figure. You're not manipulating, you're not pushing them. You are creating a conversation so that they can evaluate what's going on in their life and if they're ready to change.